Your PC could actually be running slower than it needs to, and most people never realize it's because of a few Windows settings that are enabled by default. These aren't fake registry tweaks or random commands you'll find online. They're real Windows settings that can affect gaming, multitasking, and overall system responsiveness. Today I'm going to show you 5 Windows settings worth checking, and the last one is one of the easiest performance improvements that many people never change. Let's get started. First setting is memory integrity. This feature is designed to improve Windows security by isolating critical system processes. That's great for security, but on some systems it can also introduce a small performance overhead, especially during gaming. If security is your priority, you should absolutely keep it enabled. But if you're trying to squeeze every bit of performance from your PC, it's worth testing both on and off to see which works better for your system. To find it, press Start and search for Windows Security. Open it, click Device Security, select Core Isolation Details. Here you'll find Memory Integrity. If you decide to change it, Windows will ask for a restart before the change takes effect. Now, let's check something that's quietly slowing many PCs every single time they boot. Startup apps. Every time Windows starts, it can automatically launch applications in the background. Even if you never open them yourself, they're still using memory and processor resources. To check yours, left-click the Windows button, click on Settings, go to Apps, then choose Startup. You'll see every application that starts automatically. Disable anything you don't actually need. Leave security software, drivers, and anything you're unsure about enabled. The fewer unnecessary apps running in the background, the more resources Windows has available. Even after cleaning up startup apps, Windows may still be running features you never use. Here's one that's especially important for gamers. Background recording windows can continuously record gameplay in the background, so you can save recent clips. If you never use this feature, it simply becomes another background task. Open Settings, go to Gaming, select Captures. If Record. What happened or background recording is enabled and you never use it, turn it off. This reduces unnecessary background activity while gaming. The next setting is hidden in a place that many people never open. Visual effects. Windows includes animations, transparency, and visual effects that make the interface look smoother. On powerful PCs, the impact is usually small. On older hardware, reducing these effects can make Windows feel much more responsive. Left-click the search button and type. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it. Choose Adjust for best performance, or manually keep only the effects you like. Click Apply. Everything should immediately feel snappier on lower-end systems. One more setting. This one takes less than 10 seconds to check. Power mode. If your PC is using balanced mode, Windows may prioritize power savings instead of maximum performance. Open Settings. Go to System. Select Power and Battery. Under Power mode, choose Best Performance if it's available. If you don't see it, search for Choose a Power Plan. And select a higher performance plan if your system supports one. This is especially useful when gaming or doing demanding work while plugged in. Those are 5 Windows settings that are genuinely worth checking if your PC isn't performing the way you expect. None of these are magic fixes, but together they can help eliminate unnecessary background activity and ensure Windows isn't limiting your hardware. If you enjoy Windows optimization videos based on practical testing, instead of random tweaks from the internet, consider subscribing. And if your RAM usage always seems unusually high, click the video on your screen next. I explain one Windows setting that many people overlook.